Zadia, Zadia, Zadia. That is synonymous to location, location, location. Because Zadia is still the best condominium project only here in Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. Christmas is already in the air. Pagpatak pa lang ng bare months dito sa Pilipinas. Kaya alam ko, no, yung mga Filipinos abroad, mga OFWs working outside our home country, the Philippines, miss na yung ganitong vibe. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala dahil pag retire nyo, pag nakabili kayo ng investment nyo dito, tuwing bare months, mafe-feel nyo na rin itong nafe-feel namin dito sa Metro Santa Rosa, Laguna. You may saw a lot of our videos, of course, about one of my favorite project. Hindi naman ito dahil naging paborito ko lang, no? Dahil ito talaga yung best value for money. This is Zadia dahil dito rin ako napabili out of all the projects na condo dito sa area. And meron pong reason bakit at hindi ako mapapagod na sabihin sa inyo kung ano yung mga magagandang reason na yon, most especially sa mga naghahanap ng rental income, gusto ng personal property kapag umuwi dito sa Pilipinas at hindi na magre-rent or magbubuk sa mga hotel because Zadia is still the most accessible and the best value for money. So, iisa-isahin po natin yan ngayon sa video kung bakit Zadia pa rin ang best condominium project in different aspects. So, number one, ito napakahalaga nito. Alam nyo ba, Zadia ang may address lang na Santa Rosa, Laguna. Baka nag-worry kayo, no? Or napapaisip kayo, bumili ko sa ibang project, Jaire. Nuvali din naman yun, Nandito rin naman yan malapit sa development dyan, di ba? Pero kasi ito, magkakatabi itong development. And minsan, hindi lang Santa Rosa, Laguna yung nagiging address. Like for example, no? Sige, magbabanggit na din ako ng pangalan ng ibang condominium project dahil ino-offer ko na din naman siya. Solara Park Stories is located in Calamba, Nuvali, Laguna. Because Nuvali comprises of 3 cities which are Cabuyao, Santa Rosa, and Calamba. So nagkataon na si Solara Park Stories ay nasa Calamba address. Yung isa rin naman na best-selling din natin or isa sa best-selling condominium which is si Una Apartments. Una Apartments, ang address niyan is Binyan, Laguna. Bakit ko to sinasabi? Kasi isipin nyo, no, Zadia, when it comes to studio unit, siya yung pinakamura sa lahat or most affordable. But ito yung nag-hold ng Santa Rosa, Laguna na address. So anong ibig sabihin nun? Kapag Santa Rosa, since ito naman talaga yung dinedevelop na part dito sa Laguna, when it comes to market value appreciation and zonal value in the future, mas kikita ka dito. Kaya ang talino ng ginawa ni Greenfield City na yung buong township development niya, mapakondo or mapalote, naka Santa Rosa, Laguna ang address. So imagine, bumili ka ng condo, BGC, yung condo na address mo. Tapos, merong mas mura or ibang property pero outside BGC pero malapit lang din. Ano ang mas pipiliin mo? Di ba yung nasa loob ng BGC or yung naka-address din sa Bonifacio Global City? Ganito din yung nangyayari dito sa area. So, yung mga nakabili sa Zadia at yung mga nagbabalak na bumili dito sa Zadia, lagi niyong tatandaan the address, Santa Rosa, Laguna. That would be the next BGC or Makati address. Number 2, Zadia is in the middle of the triangle. So what do I mean by triangle? So imagine we have a triangle here. Nasa gitna si Zadia. Ibig sabihin, nandun siya accessible by hospital, the medical city, by school, UST and De La Salle, and by commercial area which is Paseo de Santa Rosa, SM Yulo Premier, and Soledad Mall. So imagine, ito rin yung isa sa driver kung bakit mabilis yung price appreciation ng Zadia at kaya nakakapag-demand sila to appreciate their price for every 15-unit reservation. Kasi pag bumili tayo ng property, kung saan siya nakalocate, yan na yung location natin forever. Hindi mo na siya pwedeng ilipat kung saan man. Kaya napaka-important that you are very particular kung saan nakalocate yung property nyo because that will also drive kung ano yung magiging appreciation ng market value niya in the future. And still, Zadia is the best value for money. Kuha niya yung Santa Rosa address. Accessible siya sa lahat, expressway, schools, malls, and commercial area, at tinabihan pa siya ng Museum for Architecture and Residences. That would be the next Lux property here in the area. Napaka-affordable pa rin niya. So, versus nung iba niyang mga counterpart, no? For example, si Solara Park Stories Inu Valley, which is naka-address sa Calamba, and si Una Apartment, which is naka-address dito sa Biñan, Laguna. Most affordable pa rin si Zadia because you can get a unit here for about around just 5 million pesos inclusive of other charges. And ang maganda pa, dahil pre-selling ngayon sa Tower 4 at i-open na nila ang 7th and 8th floor sa Tower 4, meron tayong available unit ngayon na corner unit at just 21,000 pesos per monthly down payment for about 39 months. So imagine, no, 39 months or more than 3 years to pay ang ating down payment at yung balance na pwede nating i-loan, or kung nagbaballoon payment kayo during the course of down payment stage, which is 0% interest, mas bababa pa yung ilo-loan nyo sa future. Or baka nga, no, kaka-advance payment nyo anytime and any amount you can, hindi na kayo maglo-loan dahil nabayaran nyo na siya in advance. So you bought a property without paying any interest. So parang itong unit ko, no, ipapakita ko ulit sa inyo, na feature ko na to, pero as you can see in our video right now, nire-recap natin ano ang itsura ng corner unit. So ang itsura ng corner unit is para lang din siya ang layout niya, no, exactly the inner unit. Ano lang yung nadagdag? Dahil nga naka-corner ka, meron kang extra window on the side. So pagpasok mo, nandyan pa rin yung kitchen, and then nandito yung toilet and bath, and then makikita nyo, no, ginawa ko sa unit ko, para siyang hotel type. Nilagyan ko siya ng queen size bed, at yung aking dining table, medyo ginawa kong parang bar para mas space saving. Yung TV na wall mount ko pa rin siya, but as you can see, it's still very functional, kasi kahit naka-wall mount siya at malapit siya sa bintana or extra window natin, nagagalaw pa din siya at hindi pa rin siya awkward yung placing niya. And then, you still have that floor-to-ceiling height na balcony window or the sliding window para inviting pa rin sa natural lighting. So, you can save electricity cost over time because at daytime, you don't need to put, no, or mag-on ka ng iyong lights sa loob. And then I have here my cabinet. So pinapakita ko lang yung dress up model unit ko, no, para mas magkaroon kayo ng idea paano ba namin aayusin, Jaire, yung deliverable unit na wala pang laman. Kasi ang hirap nga naman talaga i-imagine, no, na wala pang laman. Ano kaya yung gagawin ko dito kapag gusto ko ng lagyan? So I am delivering you my finished product, my own unit in Zadia, para magka-idea kayo kung paano nyo din gagawin yung sa inyo sa future. And Zadia po ang nearest sa luxurious property na under construction ngayon. This is the Museum for Architecture and Residences. So ano ba, no, yung fino-foresee nila dito sa Museum for Architecture and Residences? So yung ground floor is an art gallery, and then this is partnered by a Japanese architectural firm. So they will be selling a Lux residential condominium or flat in the future that is around 150 square minimum na floor area, and magkakaroon ng its own onsen. At dahil malapit ito si Zadia, nadadamay din po or madadamay din si Zadia sa magiging market value appreciation niya over time. So imagine, kunwari, yung bahay mo, no, residential property mo lang kunwari, tinabihan ng SM Mall. Di ba nadadamay din, no, yung property mo or yung residential property mo kapag tinabihan ka ng malaking area na dinedevelop? So, napakaganda po na insight ito for Zadia owners at sa mga bibili pa. Kasi ano nga ba yung lagi kong sinasabi? I know na hindi lang piso yung binibigay or ini-invest natin sa property. So, we also have to think long term. Kung ano yung mga magiging technically assessment natin or outcome, no, sa future. So wala po akong sinasabi na ganito na kataas exactly yung magiging value, kasi hindi ko naman po talaga masasabi yon. Pero we are seeing the possibility, very big possibility of Zadia na talagang puputok at puputok ang presyo niya dahil hindi pa man siya natatapos. Hindi pa man siya nagagawa, lalo na kapag bumili ka sa pre-selling, tumataas na siya over time kahit naglo-low monthly down payment ka pa lang sa kanya. And Zadia still the most accessible, not just sa binanggit ko sa triangle kanina, pero pati sa nearest South Luzon Expressway exit going to Manila. Now, napaka-importante nito na napakalapit mo sa South Luzon Expressway. Kasi I'll be very honest with you, lahat naman nagta-traffic lalo na kapag rush hour. Pero mas malilesen or shorten ang traffic time mo kapag mas malapit sa SLEX or Expressway yung point A mo or yung residence mo, which is for example sa Zadia. Kasi it's for just like 3 to 5 minutes away, malapit ka na sa Eton City exit. Ngayon sa area na to ni Metro Santa Rosa in general, marami ka namang pwedeng puntahan or pwedeng lusutan papunta sa Expressway. We have Mamplasan exit, dadaan ka ng Calax, we have Santa Rosa exit, and we have the service roads here in Laguna. But it's also important to note that if meron ka ng isa na exit or path or ruta na pwede mong daanan na napakalapit sa'yo, napaka-helpful sa'yo, lalo na kapag galing ka ng airport, kapag galing ka sa bakasyon, galing ka ng BGC or Makati, kasi shorten talaga yung travel time mo at hindi ka nadadaan. Alam niyo yun, yung parang service road or yung sa pinaka-national highway, diretso na kay Zadia. So, isa ito sa dapat nyong tignan. I'm not just speaking, if ayaw nyo mag-invest ng condo, kahit yung lot natin dito, marami tayong lots na malapit sa SLEX exit, but you won't feel na malapit ka sa major thoroughfare dahil ang galing gumawa ng mga developer natin dito at ang galing nila mag-develop ng community na it's as if kapag nasa loob ka, you are really experiencing the suburban living that you deserve. And ang pinakagusto ko kay Zadia, hindi siya katulad ng ibang condominium, especially sa Manila, na yung pinaka-building or yung pinaka-condominium, yun na agad yung main entrance. So as you can see, lagi ko ito sinasabi, parang subdivision po si Zadia. Kahit na a total of 5 towers siya, smart po ang naging master plan niya na hindi siya magiging pa-box na parang magkakaharap sila. Pa-diamond po ang top view niya. So, pinapakita natin ngayon through this video, ang kanilang video presentation. And at the same time, bago ka pumunta sa main entrance ng bawat building, you have this main gate. So, mas nafi-filter, nafi-feel mo yung security because aside from your security or your reception per building, you have your main gate na dyan ka papasok. So, this is really tagged as the Green-Inspired Community because 85% of the master plan community are dedicated for open spaces. So nakikita nyo, ang daming jogging path, at the same time, ang dami nating magiging amenities na meron na ngayon, such as the football or the tennis court. At the same time, meron tayong mga modern gazebos para siyang modern bahay kubo and the basketball court. At under construction na po at malapit na matapos, dahil meron ng shape ngayon yung swimming pool natin sa main clubhouse na meron ding magandang function hall and indoor or covered basketball court. So, this is very important for me na kapag bumibili ako ng property, lalo na ako, na gusto ko minimal lang yung mini-maintain kong area kasi yun naman din yung isa sa advantage kapag condominium living or condo living. Kapag medyo fast-paced yung living mo or hindi ka naman masyadong tumitira doon kasi di ba may wear and tear din, pero napapangalagaan mo ng mabuti at hindi sa yung mahirap na linisin kasi maliit lang yung area mo. And of course, the security, at the same time, yung pagmamanage ng amenities at yung cleanliness ng area, si condo na property management ang bahala sa inyo. And of course, aside from being very accessible sa maraming establishment, pagbaba mo, nakadesign naman yung condo na nandyan na lahat nung kailangan mo. Such as, walkable na nga ito sa Paseo de Santa Rosa Outlet and Wet Market. So, everything you need is here na, lalo na dito kay Zadia. Lastly, alam natin na kapag may tinatayo na SM Mall, alam natin kung gaano nagiging ka-develop yung area at paano tumataas yung market value ng specific area. Now, the SMU law is not just your typical SM mall because this is an SM Premier just like SM Aura in BGC that would cater the affluent market of this community. So imagine that. Nilapit ka sa SM but not just your typical SM because this is an SM Premier. So imagine mo, Lux Property ng Museum for Architecture and Residences, SM Yulo Premier, maraming mga nakapalibot na hospitals and schools. yung presyo nga actually ni Zadia, still na po talaga siya. Kaya dito ako bumili out of all the condominium projects that I am handling from different developers. So I hope nakapagbigay ako ng magandang insight. But to end this video, I would like to have a major key takeaway. Lalo na yung unang-una kong sinabi, the Santa Rosa address. Kasi yung mga sinasabi ko na mga Lux Property at Development, naka-address po yan kay Santa Rosa. SM Aura Premier, Museum for Architecture and Residences, of course, the Soledad Malls of Ayala, Landers, Qualimed Hospital, the Next Kidney Center, UST, that is all addressed, no? Or nakalocate yan kay Santa Rosa, Laguna. Kaya maging very particular kayo kung saan naka-address yung bibili nyo na property kasi magiging major driver yan, no, para sa market value at zonal value ng property nyo in the future. So maraming salamat sa pagtutok. Napakadami pa nating magre-release dahil open na ang 7 to 8 floor for as low as 20,000 pesos per monthly down payment for 39 months. Pwede kang makakuha ng unit dito sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. So maraming salamat. I'm actually here in the office of Greenfield here in Santa Rosa, and ang ganda ng nila, Christmas tree, no? At feel na talaga ang Christmas vibe because magde-December na. So maraming salamat po sa pagtutok. If you want to inquire through my iMessage, local number, Viber, or WhatsApp account, just contact me through +63927 185 1590. Again, that's +63927 185 1590. You can also directly contact me through our Facebook page, The Property Geek, or message me na lang, no, straight to my personal Facebook account. That's Jaire Valerio Mamaklay. I am still contributing twice a month at the Manila Bulletin Property Living section. And of course, no, maraming salamat sa mga patuloy na sumusuporta at tumututok, not just our viewers here in the Philippines, but our Filipinos living abroad in the US, Europe, Australia, and in other parts of the world. Thank you so much sa pagtutok. Till our next video, this is me, Jair Mamaklay, your property geek, always inviting you to come home to the Philippines and come home to the beautiful Metro Santa Rosa City.